Want to turn PDFs and websites into your own AI chatbot and profit? Here's how to make money with Chatbase in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Go to chatbase.co and sign up. Upload a PDF, paste text, or connect a website. Chatbase instantly creates a chatbot trained on that content. Step 2. Pick a niche, like real estate, coaching, customer support, or e-commerce FAQs. Step 3. Customize your bot's name, tone, and look. You can embed it on websites or share it as a link, no coding needed. Step 4. Monetize by selling custom chatbots to businesses who need automated support, creating bots for online courses, lead capture, or product walkthroughs, offering monthly chatbot management services, using bots to provide paid access to specialized info like tax tips, legal help, or study guides. Step 5. Promote your services through LinkedIn, freelance sites, or niche communities. Step 6. Bundle Chatbase bots with landing pages, email lists, or consulting to raise your rates. In 2025, Chatbase lets you build AI assistants fast and get paid for saving others time.